Okay, go ahead, Prasad, hit a couple shots here. Okay, so you're on that shot, your club face was close. Again, you want to have an open stance. Okay, I'm going for that blue flag.
Yeah.
Here's the ball. Stance is slightly to the left of the blue flag. Okay, you see that my stance is open?
Yeah.
The club itself is going to be square to the target. So I'm
Square,
square,
okay.
right, it's aiming at that blue target, at the blue flag. See that?
Yeah.
See how it's right at that target?
Yeah.
So essentially what's going to be happening is you're going to be kind of swinging, you see your swing
Outside
pattern,
in.
outside in,
Okay.
right, when your club face is open. That's an exaggeration,
Yeah,
that's how you
right.
want it to come.
Yeah.
Okay? Outside in.
Outside in.
Okay?
All
But
right.
keep the club face square to the target. We're going to go over the chipping. As you can see, there's two different pin placements. As talking earlier discussions with you guys, like for yourself, Prasad, you use 60, and you use 60 at the red flag and the blue one. Mahil, you'll be pretty much doing the same thing.
No,
and
no.
You're doing,
I would be for the blue.
yeah,
I would use the like almost a like pitching wedge,
Pitching wedge.
or a 9-iron.
very good. And you pretty much are 60 for the red and then 60 for the blue as well.
Maybe 56.
56?
A little lower.
Okay. All right. So, from a perspective of using a higher lofted club as you are, chances for you to make it are going to be decreased because you have to hit it exactly the same distance and expect the same rollout. Okay. So sometimes what will happen is you actually will hit it and it'll stop because you got more spin on the ball. So conceptually, what we want to try and do is, unfortunately, this is a 58, but for me, from a chipping perspective, I'm pretty comfortable using my 58 from this distance to the red flag, right? I mean, I would be able
Liao,
to go right
Forso,
about
please
here.
check
So
into the
chipping,
starter. Liao, Forso, please check into the starter.
right here is you're at a distance where you're, I don't know if I want to use a putter, okay? Because you want to get it to a certain, to get it over this, and have it nice, land easily, and run up to the hole. So, me, I'm comfortable using my 58. Chipping is, again, we're going to have the ball in the front of your position here, right, toward the front. Always going to try and drip down on the right. That's going to give you the most control. Right? Up here, don't have a lot of control. This is going to give you a lot more control. How you can get contact with the ball. So I always have it toward the front of my stance if I'm going to be going to that red flag. Now, the trick that I use, if I'm going to be using my 58, is that I actually have it a little bit toe heavy. So, right, so if it's, this is how I would normally sit on the ground, I would toe it up a little bit. Now, what that does, it allows you to get through the grass a lot easier than if you're going to be flat on the ground and you have a chance of chunking it. Right? So I use it, I toe it up a little bit, nice easy putting stroke, same type. Probably going to land it right about here. This spot here. It'll probably roll up to the ball, to the pin. So I visualize that spot, toe up a little bit. Pretty easy one putt from there, right? Okay?
Some people.
Right. So again, that's a little bit of tip that I use. Now this is, when you toe it up a little bit, there's limitations to it. From the further you get, the more difficult it's going to be to toe it up. Okay. So again, we're going to try and make a nice easy putting stroke. The key is the putting stroke. Right? Nice easy contact. Like that. Okay?
Yeah. Perfect.